Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to understand today contest problem in the daily Leetcode question. So we have 1717 maximum score from removing substring, means we have given a string s and two integers we have given x and y, and we can perform two types of operations any number of times. So the operations are remove substring av and gain x points. For example, when removing av from the given string this, it becomes like this, right? Another operation we have given is remove substring ba and gain y points. Means on removing the substring from the given string, we will get the points. Let's suppose if you're removing ab, we are getting x point. If we are removing ba, we are getting y points. So these are the examples we have given. You can go through this. We have to return the maximum points we can get from applying these operations, right, on the string. So let's suppose we have given the string s, and these are the characters we have given the string, and we have also given x and y for the string removal earning points. X is for removing ab substring, and y is for y points for removing the string ba, right? So if you will scroll here and if you see, the question is saying that in the explanation section that if you remove ba from this given string, it become the string like this, and you are earning 5 points because you are removing ba. Similarly, you are operating the operation ab, ba. How many times? 4 times. So each times we are getting some points, and if you will collect all these points, you are getting 19. Okay, so we'll understand in the deep. So before that, let's understand and go through some slides video, right? So you will understand clearly. So as we discussed, this is in the Leetcode daily contest series problem, and the question is 1717. We have to maximize the score from removing the substring, and the two operations we have to perform, right? So the questions we have given, right, and we are given a string s like this, and we have to perform the two operations, right? What are the two operations are there? The first operation is to remove ab. Ab is a substring, right, from the given string, right? So what we will do, we'll remove this substring from the string, and you will get the point like this. For example, in the example 1 we have seen, let's suppose x we are getting, and there x is a point, means let's suppose x is equal to 4, right? Similarly, we have to remove the ba, means another operations we have given, where we will get y points, means 5 points we will get. So there you can see x and y are two different points we are getting in this example, right? So we can do these operations any number of times in any order, but once character are removed, they are gone. Means if we will remove this ab from this given string, right, what will happen? This string will be less with this character. This character will not be available in there. Once you operate these two operations over this string, those operations will remove the what you call the characters from this string. I hope you understand, right? Now understand what is our goal. So we are applying the operations in the best order to maximize the total score. So let's understand, if we will remove the characters for, let's suppose ba, right, and ba, ab and ba, right? So if you observe, we have ba, then we have ab, and we have ab, or we can say ba is this one. So one operations will apply at a time, and then new string will be get formed, right? And so each time we will remove the character when you applying either of these operations, right? So we can operate this operation any number of times, right? But if we will apply the operations at the same time, those character will be removed from the what you call string. Then what is our goal? Our goal is to apply these operations in the best order, right? In the best order to maximize the total score, right? It doesn't mean that you will directly remove from the ab and you will get the points. No, we have to apply in such a way that you will get the maximized score, This is the purpose of the question. That is why the question statement itself having the title maximum score from removing the substring, right? I think you understand the problem. So let's suppose how we are going to prioritize the valuable operations, right? Which operation is valuable, right? How we are going to prioritize it. So we can say we have AB and that have a point 4, then we have BA and its point is 5. Now you can think that if we'll apply this, I am getting how many points? 5 points. If I am applying removing this operation from the string, we are getting 4 points. So you know here BA gives the more points, right? And we want to remove all BA first. Understand? However, our algorithm makes the logic easier by allowing removing AB first. So what we do? We'll reverse the string, right? So we know that if BA gives 5 points and AB giving what, how many points? 4 points. Why don't we reverse this string? If we'll reverse this, we'll get BA also. So we also get 5 points if we'll reverse this, right? So you have to think little smarter way, in the smarter way. So if we prioritize after that, if we reverse the string, right? Let's suppose from the original string that we have here, if we'll reverse this string, we will get a string like this, right? Now we'll treat BA as AB with points x equal to 5. Can we say that? So we are treating AB as BA with points y equal to 4. Can we say that? So let's now process this reverse string greedily and remove AB as many times as possible. So we have to remember that we swap x and y, right? Because previously y was 5 and x was giving 4, but we have reversed the string, means we are getting 4 here and 5 here. Means if we remove the x, means AB, we are getting the 5 points. If we remove BA, we are getting the points 4 points. Understood? In the next step, what we should do, we'll do the first pass where we will remove AB originally BA, we can say, right? So we'll start processing on this string. We'll use a stack like idea and we'll process the character one by one and we'll form AB and we'll gain all the 5 points. So let's understand, if I have some character, right, on the given string, I'll take a stack. You know that's how a stack works, right? So a stack is a data structure where we push some element, or you can say we'll do the push operation and we'll add into what you call in the stack. So let's suppose if this is a class, you are putting 10, then you are putting 20 and then 30, right? So these are the operations you are applying on this stack. So first 10 you are adding, then 20 you are adding, and then 30 you are adding. So what is on the top? On the top is 30, because it is saying last in first out. So if you have done in, means you have pushed into the stack. If you remove this first, what you will remove? You will remove the 30, then 20, and then 10. So this is the concept: first in, last in, first out operations happening on the stack. So just for I am giving for the understanding purpose. It's not mean that you know or not, or I'm not going in deep with the stack. So if these are the character we have and this is the stack we have, so very first, you know, if I'll take the stack, right, and I will put in the stack what? First we are putting this B. So B, push the stack B here, right? So how many points you will get? Because this is just a B, so you will not get any point. Then next point you are adding A, so it will match. Oh, previously it was what? B was there. Now you are adding A here, right? Can we say that? Means if we will pop, right, this is B and this is A. So if we will pop now, right, what we will get first? We will get A and then we'll get B, as I told you, right? Last in, first out. Which one is last? A is the last. Which one got entry first? B. So B will come last, right? Last in, first out. So last we got A and B got the first. So will come like this. So let's suppose, so this is the substring, means we got the match, and so we can say B plus A, it formed the substring BA, and so if we'll remove this, we'll get the 0.5. Similarly, we'll push the elements, it will form substring, or you can say the string. So each time you will get the points like this, right? And you will update the points also. Okay, so each time you are getting the value. But if you observe till the last, we are getting here, right? So sometime if you see we are getting some another value, let's suppose we are getting D and C, in that case we will reset the counter, right? Will not operate anything, will reset the counters. But if you observe that you are getting the 0.20. Similarly, understand the second pass. In the second pass, we'll remove BA now, originally called AB, right? Just the reverse of that. So now we use remaining unmatched A by B, and to form BA. So it's a worth 4 point now. So from now, we only one B remains unpaired, right? No A available. So no more BA pair will be possible, and so we'll get the 0.0. So here in the total, we can say we are getting 20 points, right? You can also think like this, 4 into 5 is 20. So now wait a second and understand. But our question was, if you observe the very first what you call example I have shown you on the Leetcode problem, right? It was giving 19, right? 19, not the 20. So but result was 19. Why we are getting 20 here, right? Let's recheck, because maybe the string reversal was done incorrectly, right? So the actual reverse of this is this, right? Now repeat the process properly on this and reprocess this. So if you do the same thing again, you will get again 20. Understand? You pause this video, try to go by yourself, you will understand. Okay, so why Leetcode output is coming 19 and in this approach we are getting 20, right? You can say, because of the string segment breaking. Whenever we hit a non-AB character like C and D, I have shown you, right? We reset only count valid match in each segment. So let's try again without reversing and do both steps. So very first, the original string we have given, X is 4, Y is 5. So for AB and BA we can say, so here Y is greater than X, means we will remove BA first, right? So if you remove the BA first, you will get like this. Now first remove AB, you will get the 5 BA originally we can say. So if you apply this, you are getting the points like this, right, in the second pass. So if you add all of these, you will get the 0.19 and your answer is coming 19. Understand? So let's summarize. So always remove more valuable of AB or BA first. So that you have to decide. Then if BA is more valuable, we'll reverse the string and will treat like as a BA. Then process each segment of A and B carefully and break reset of other character CD, right? So before understanding the intuition, the problem we have given, right, and the problem has given a string we have given and the two operations we have given, right, AB and BA, to earn the point X and point Y. Can we say that? So we can apply these operations how many times? Any number of times, right, in any order. So two things we have given freely, means any number of times we will operate or any order, and we want to maximize the total score. Understand? We have to maximize the total score. So can we say that if we are going for the intuition, each time we remove AB or BA and we earn the point. Once we remove the character, they are gone, right? So we can't reverse an operation. Therefore, the order in which we remove the substring affect the final result. Can we say that? So what is the insights we have? If AB gives more valuable points than B, we should remove as many as AB substring, right, before removing any BA substring. Understand? This is because some strings we have, like BA can be interpreted as BA plus BA or AB plus AB, right? So we want to interpret that gives more point. I hope you understand the intuition, right? So can we understand this strategy? Like we can say always we have to remove the substring either AB or BA that gives more points first, and then we'll remove other one from the remaining string. So to simplify this, if BA gives more point than AB, we'll reverse the string and we'll swap the role of AB and BA. That is why the way we can always handle only AB first in the same way. So if we'll implement this, right, can we say first reprocess, check if y is greater than x. If y is greater than x means we have to do reverse and then swap the value of x and y. In the very first step, you can try by yourself, you can start writing the code also. Now swap AB first, then BA. In the next step, the first pass, right, what we should do, we'll remove all the AB. Like we use a stack, so we'll use a stack like logic, or you can say counter, to scan the string. Either there is two approach that you can do, right? Either you can use a stack, right, that is also fine, or you can use a counter. Okay, so for each character, if current is B, so the top of the stack is A, means we will get the match. Remember, I have shown you the table. We have seen if current is B and top element of a stack is A, means we got the match, means AB we got. So we'll add this point into the points, otherwise push into the stack simply. This remove all the AB in the greedy order and will update the remaining string, right? In the second pass, we'll remove what? All the BA. Okay, so in the second pass we have to remove similarly. Okay, so now update the remaining string and use the same logic. Remove all the BA substring and apply y points on the each, and finally we will return the total. I hope you understand. This is not a tricky, but I thought to explain you in this way so you can understand. Let's understand the code. So we have given two things, three things we have given: string we have given, x we have given, and y we have given, right? So very first, what you will do, we have to check if AB is a higher value than value operations, right? Means this we have to check and this we have to check which one is higher value, right? Means we'll check x is less than y. If x is less than y, means we have to reverse the string and we have to swap x and y, correct? So for that, what you need to do, we know that we have a string builder, let's suppose for now. So we'll take the string builder and we'll convert into the string builder object. You just need to do what? New string, and then you pass the given string we have. This become from the string to a string builder object. Why? Because we can append or we can remove, we can perform all the other operations easily on the string, and it will not waste your memory, heap memory, because string contains provide the string constant pool, right, in the heap, right? If this is a heap, it takes some string constant pool. So if you apply anything on the string, it will create a new memory on the string. So for that, you will create a new string builder. You will do the reverse, right? So you will create a new string, right? And this is for to convert into object to string, right? So you will get the new string again and you will update the value. So can we say the temp x equal to x, will say, right? And x equal to y. Just we need to swap the value of x and y. So this is the swap concept. I hope you understand this, right? Let's suppose x is what we have is 4, and y we have is 5. So for that, first of all, what you need to do, you will keep this value into t. So you have 4 now here. Okay, then you will put the x value as a 5 here. So we have put this here. Now you want y value to be updated. For that, you will put back from here. You will add 4 here. Like that, we will swap the value. Can we say that? Now, once you got the higher value, right, means if x is smaller than y, means we will reverse this given string and will also reverse the what we call x and y value. Now we will operate the first pass where we will remove all the BA and will get the x point, right? So for the first pass, what we need to do, we'll create a remaining, because each time we have to remove after applying the operations. Means this substring should be removed from the string and the new string is nothing but the remaining, right? Because we cannot remove from the string object, right? A string is a final value, right? So you will create a string builder. So we'll have a total point. We'll create a total point also. So one by one character we'll get from the given string, that is called character, and we'll check the remaining dot length, right? And remaining length is this one. So if the length character is at the last, let's suppose, is A and current character is B, it means we found the match. Means we will delete this from the remaining, correct? Similarly, we'll increase the point. If this is happening, good. Otherwise, we will append the remaining character. Means we'll say just push into the remaining. We will not do anything. So this is your first pass. In the second pass, we will remove all the BA and we'll get the point. So similarly, we'll create the final string and we'll say go for all the substring, all the characters, right? Similarly, you will do. And you know the similarly we'll do this operation. We'll check B and A. This time if the match is working fine, if matches, means we will delete it. Otherwise, also we'll do the plus. Otherwise, what you need to do, just add into the final string. And what you need to do, we'll return the total points, because this is we need to do. Okay, I hope you understand. But still, if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section, right? I'm always here to help you. So if you observe that we only process each character, that is why it takes O of n time, and it is good choice. Okay, so we are processing this each character 2 times. Okay, so 2 into O of n is nothing but O of n, right? So that is why we say time complexity is O of n. We are also temporarily storing into the string builder, right? So we can say a space is also taking O of n time. Okay, for example, what we have performed right now, just we have taken string as an argument we have given, then x we have given and y we have given. So we have first check if y is greater than x, reverse the string, right, and perform the operations. Before that, you swap this value. We'll remove first AB, because value we have more here, means 5 point we are getting here. So 3 into 5 is 15, and then remove BA, you are getting 4 points here. So you just do the plus. 15 plus 4 is 19. So can we summarize this approach? Very first, decide the priority, then possibly reverse it, then greatly remove the pass 1 in the pass 2, and finally return the result. I hope you like this video. If you still have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Also support ExpertFunda by subscribing and liking this channel. Also share the solution with your code with your friends, so they will understand the code and help them to become a part of ExpertFunda, and ExpertFunda will be your